You might think that ChatGPT is just for asking questions or drafting emails you'd rather not write, but more and more people have turned this free AI tool into a six-figure income over the past year. You can do it too. Want to know how? Stay tuned and watch until the end. Today, we'll explore 8 incredible ways to use ChatGPT to earn real money in 2024. I'll provide specific prompts to make it easy, regardless of your experience level. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Let's start with the simplest methods and move to more lucrative opportunities. The easiest way to monetize ChatGPT is by creating YouTube videos about how to make money with it. Channels like Rising Higher, Meditation Tropia, and Scenic Hunter have shown how faceless YouTube channels can earn thousands per month through Google AdSense alone. Beyond ad revenue, you can monetize through sponsorships, branded merchandise, and affiliate marketing. What's more, ChatGPT now features a dedicated GPT for InVideo AI, an AI video creation tool. This integration allows you to generate and upload professional quality videos effortlessly. Whether it's history, travel, or meditation, InVideo AI handles scripting, visuals, music, voiceovers, even in multiple languages. Simply go to ChatGPT, explore GPTs, type in Video AI, and start creating. For example, you can prompt it to create a 5-minute video showcasing the top 5 scenic views in the Swiss Alps. Specify engaging content suitable for a faceless YouTube channel, energizing background music, and a male voiceover. InVideo AI will then allow you to edit visuals, music, and script before exporting the video for YouTube. For unrestricted use without watermarks, a paid subscription, $20 per month, is recommended after experimenting with the free version. Another overlooked way to make money with ChatGPT is ghostwriting for LinkedIn and Twitter. Many executives and CEOs lack the time or skill to maintain a strong online presence, but understand its importance. Ghostwriters like Tara Hormary charge $2,500 per month per client, crafting high-quality content to enhance their clients' online influence. Platforms like Upwork list rates up to $70 per hour for similar services, with ghostwriters managing multiple clients and boosting their visibility. ChatGPT streamlines this process by generating initial drafts quickly, although refining the language manually is crucial to maintaining authenticity. If you're uncertain about using ChatGPT directly, explore specialized GPTs on the marketplace designed for Twitter and LinkedIn posts. These GPTs can generate drafts based on specific prompts, such as a 200-word LinkedIn post for a tech startup CEO discussing the future of remote work and its impact on company culture. Provide style preferences and a call to action, ensuring the content aligns with the client's voice. These strategies illustrate how ChatGPT can transform into a profitable tool, whether through YouTube content creation or professional ghostwriting, leveraging AI to enhance productivity and income potential. Number 3 is something I thought about recently when a friend asked for tips on spending a week in Switzerland. If you enjoy travel and want to turn it into a profitable endeavor, either as a side hustle or full-time gig, consider becoming a travel consultant. This role involves providing personalized travel planning and booking services, handling everything from flights and hotels to designing customized itineraries. Many travelers lack the time or expertise to plan themselves. Alesia, for instance, offers bespoke travel experiences on Upwork and has completed over 100 jobs, earning more than $100,000. ChatGPT can significantly streamline this process by generating tailored itineraries, providing destination information, and even facilitating communication with clients. Specialized GPTs like Kayak or Expedia can fetch real-time offers and assist in booking accommodations and flights. This automation enhances efficiency and effectiveness in creating personalized travel plans. For example, you can prompt ChatGPT to create a detailed 7-day luxury travel itinerary for a young couple visiting Santorini, Greece, including 5-star hotel stays, fine dining recommendations, exclusive activities like private yacht tours or wine tastings, and cultural site visits with private guides and transportation details. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 4 is print on demand, a thriving market where creative individuals earn money by designing and selling custom products such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, blankets, and pillowcases. Platforms like Printify, Redbubble, and Teespring handle production and shipping, allowing designers to focus solely on creating. Elise Brienne, for example, has made over $4 million selling her unique designs through print on demand. Even without design skills, ChatGPT can generate ideas and provide inspiration quickly. Various GPTs on the marketplace, like Podmerch Designer, cater to specific design needs. Whether it's slogans, trending concepts, or detailed artwork, ChatGPT serves as a valuable tool in the design process. Number 5 explores creating and selling ebooks, a profitable venture enabled by ChatGPT. Many have capitalized on this model, generating substantial income by writing and marketing ebooks. John, for instance, has earned over $300,000 by leveraging solid landing pages and targeted Pinterest ads. ChatGPT facilitates the entire ebook creation process, from generating chapter outlines to writing sections directly. It can also assist in crafting compelling copy for landing pages and designing ads for promotional campaigns. For instance, you can prompt ChatGPT to create an ebook on a specific topic, ensuring the content meets audience needs and engages readers effectively. Number 6 introduces the role of an AI business optimization consultant, a position where knowledge of ChatGPT can help businesses streamline operations and improve efficiency. Many businesses are eager to adopt AI but lack the expertise to implement it effectively. Consultants on platforms like Upwork Command rates up to $200 per hour, offering valuable AI integration services. Learning effective prompting techniques and mastering ChatGPT's capabilities through online courses and resources can position you to provide substantial value to businesses seeking AI solutions. This expertise can help businesses save time and money, making the consultant role highly lucrative. If you're interested in a step-by-step guide on becoming an AI business optimization consultant, let me know in the comments below. I have friends thriving in this field and believe it offers tremendous opportunities for the future. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.